I'm a feeler and also a people pleaser. I hate conflict, and I really have a hard time confronting people who have hurt me. If you're anything like me, you know it's really easy to do the wrong thing when someone hurts you. Like when I found out a friend had been saying rude things about me, I didn't go directly to her. Instead, trying to stay peaceful, often I would talk to another friend about what had happened and I'd complain about the person who hurt me. But I never walked away from those conversations feeling better, In fact, I felt worse because I'd spoken ill of someone else. Scripture proves that we don't have to seek out people to agree with us. We actually do have a neutral third party we can tell our grievances to. God. So why don't we? Well, for me, I didn't think it was appropriate to bring my problems with other people to Jesus. I thought surely he has better things to do than listen to me talk about how someone else's words hurt me. But a Psalm of David changed my mind. In it, he brought all of his feelings to God as enemies threatened him with bitter words like arrows. He prayed, "Hear my voice, O God, in my complaint. Preserve my life from the dread of the enemy." Women especially are talkers. We can wound each other so easily with our words online or behind each other's backs. But I want real healing when others attack like enemies towards me and their words hurt me. And through this scripture, God gives us permission to come to him with our complaints. He hears us and he will absorb our hurt in destructive relationships. Who has hurt you recently? Who are you struggling to forgive, but you don't have the courage to confront them? Talk to God about it directly. Tell him every inch of the story. Ask him to preserve what needs preserving and to protect you from more harm. Let's trust that he is the best confidant that we have, and he truly cares for all of our hurts.